A side flap. Okay. Can I see the side flap again?
Shoot on the freeze names.
What are you doing?
Lintik nga.
Oh. Nice one, nice one. Oh, wow, ballerina. Ballerina.
Sam, what's that?
This is what I learned at school before. But I have
Wow. What is this step called? What is that one called?
It's called a fly. It's called fly, walk, butterfly.
Fly, walk, butterfly.
Okay, can you do the fly, walk, butterfly again?
Can you do the fly, walk, butterfly again?
Oh, fly, walk. Okay. And then, what's that?
That's called a trombone like this.
What is that?
That's called a sidewalk. Then
Sidewalk.
you turn like this, put your head down and your hands on the floor. Just look.
Wow. Okay. Does that make you dizzy?
Okay, say thank you.
Wait, can I see the side flap one more time? The side flap.
Oh, she's consistent. It's
Yeah.
really a step.
Side flap. Can I see it again?
Side flap,
Really
walking butterfly.
interesting.
Oh, it is a side
It's a
flap.
butterfly because, you know, you do like this.
Oh.